Hello, my US natives. Welcome to my channel. Let me keep it real with y'all. Saving your first $10,000 feels impossible until the moment it suddenly isn't. And if you're living paycheck to paycheck, thinking, man, I can barely breathe. How the hell am I supposed to save money? This video is exactly for you. Because today, I'm breaking down the exact process I used to save my first $10,000 on a low income, no fancy salary, no rich parents, no overnight miracles. Just real strategies that work, and if you follow them, your bank account will grow faster than you think. Stick around till the end, because I'll share the one mindset shift that changed everything for me, and trust me, you won't hear this anywhere else. The moment I realized I needed to save every money transformation starts with an oh, damn moment. For me, that moment hit when my car broke down, and I didn't even have $300 to fix it. No savings. No backup plan, just stress and bad decisions. That moment made me realize something. Being broke is expensive. Late fees, interest, emergency loans, everything hits harder when you don't have a cushion. So, I made a promise. I'm saving $10,000, no matter how long it takes. That decision changed everything. The psychology of money. Why most people fail money isn't just math, it's mental. Most people don't save because they're bad with money, but because they're overwhelmed living in survival mode, taught wrong habits, addicted to instant gratification, but there's one psychological trick that helped me. Future you deserves better. Every dollar you save isn't just a number. It's a vote for the life you want. And once you believe that, saving becomes easier. The low income rule, pay yourself first. Nitrogen monoxide excuses, no matter how broke you are, you save first, not last, even if it's $5. Even if it's $1. Because saving is a habit before it's a number. Example, let's say you make $1,800 a month. You save $50 automatically on payday, you won't even feel it. Diagram text. Income, pay yourself first. Bill spending, that order will change your life. No backup plan, just stressed and bad decisions. That moment made me realize something. Being broke is expensive. Late fees, interest, emergency loans. Everything hits harder when you don't have a cushion. So I made a promise. I'm saving $10,000 no matter how long it takes. That decision changed everything. The psychology of money, why most people fail money isn't just math, it's mental. Most people don't save because they're bad with money, but because they're overwhelmed living in survival mode, taught wrong habits, addicted to instant gratification, but there's one psychological trick that helped me. Future you deserves better. Every dollar you save isn't just a number. It's a vote for the life you want. And once you believe that, saving becomes easier. The low income rule, pay yourself first. Nitrogen monoxide excuses, no matter how broke you are, you save first, not last. Even if it's $5. Even if it's $1. Because saving is a habit before it's a number. Example, let's say you make $1,800 a month. You save $50 automatically on payday. You won't even feel it. Diagram text. Income, pay yourself first. Bills spending, that order will change your life. The credit card trap. I stopped falling for credit cards are cool. Until you start using them like free money. I stopped swiping for wants and only used them for gas, groceries, recurring bills, and paid everything off immediately. Your score rises, your debt drops, and saving gets easier. How I cut my expenses without living like a monk. I didn't quit life. I quit waste. Here's what I cut. Subscription apps I forgot existed, $7 daily coffees, impulse snacks, eating out 5 a week. Fake sales that trick you. What I kept. Happiness. I still enjoyed life. But on purpose, not by accident. Small cuts equals big results. The cash envelope hack, this old school hack still works. Step 1. Label envelopes groceries, fund gas, emergency savings. Step 2. Put real cash in each envelope. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending. No overdraft, no surprises. This hack alone saved me $100, $200 a month. How I made extra money without a second job? Side hustles that actually worked. I didn't have time for another job, but I did have time for selling old stuff on Facebook Marketplace, freelancing, small gigs, DoorDash, and Instacart editing, TikTok short videos, pet sitting. I wasn't chasing thousands, I was chasing consistency. Even $50 a week equals $2,600 a year saved. The no spend weekends trick. 1 month, I challenged myself to spend $0 on weekends. No restaurants, no movies, No random Target trips where you go for toothpaste and leave with $200 of nonsense. Instead, I did. Hiking, meal prepping, cleaning, free local events, hanging with friends at home. I saved $300, $500 per metrans with no-spend weekends. The bank account system that changed everything I created. 3 bank accounts, 1 bills, kedua spending. 3 savings, no debit card. Every paycheck, bills got their cut, spending got its limit, savings grew silently. This created structure. Structure creates freedom. My $10,000 timeline. How long IT actually took. People expect magic, but I'm real. Saving $10,000 took me 18 months. Some months were great. Some months were ugly. Some months I saved $400. Others, I saved $20. But I never stopped. Slow money is still money. What I did when I finally hit $10,000, when I saw the number, I legit cried. Not because of the money, but because I proved myself wrong. That $10,000 became emergency fund, peace of mind, protection power. After that, saving became easy. The mindset shift that changed my life forever. Here's the truth. Most people never learn. Saving money isn't about numbers. It's about identity. The moment I started acting like someone who respects money, money started respecting me back. I stopped saying, I can't save, and started saying, I'm a saver. That identity changed everything. Let me give you 3 powerful, curiosity-building questions that'll get your US audience talking and watching till the end. Question number 1. Money mindset. What's the biggest challenge you face when trying to save money in the US? Bills, impulse spending, or low income? Question number 2. Budgeting behavior. Do you follow a monthly budget right now? If yes, what budgeting style works best for you? Envelope system, 50-30-20th rule, or digital budgeting apps? Question 3. Number. Savings goal. How much are you trying to save this year? $1,000? $5,000? Or are you pushing for that $10,000 goal too? Your first $10,000 changes you. It gives you confidence. It gives you options. It gives you freedom. And it's possible even on a low income if you follow what I shared today. If you want more real, no BS financial videos that actually help you, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Saving Money. Your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Let's get rich in knowledge and rich in real life. Thank you for watching. See you soon.